If you are a father or a mother or a couple, then you need to watch this. Good day everyone, welcome back again to my channel Ebonyi TV. My Africa people, my European people, how una dey? Wetin I wan talk about today na about children. Wetin our children don dey do for this our area. Now I wan talk about today. You know say this life, person no dey know finish. I will say person dey know finish. President who dey see so if you not get advisor. So our children of nowadays, they don dey do things wey be say e not just good at all. And who will be say will be mothers them. We need to put eye down. You understand? So you get this video be say they sent for me. The video now for about 1 week now. Now the video there with me. Before I start, if you need the video, you call my message. I'll send that for you. For those who will not be say will not be friend for Facebook. My Facebook name now be Ebonyi Gold. You understand? If you come there, DM me, I go send you the video. So what did the pikin do now? I want to talk about. So most of them I don't see watch her. Most of them never still watch her. But I know post her for you because if I post her, you know YouTube wahala, they don't go like her. These children, they be three. 2 boys, 1 girl. Now the girl for inside now grow. For inside, I don't see grow small like man. I say 10 years now go dey. If I'm not mistake, 10 years. Why the 2 small boys for inside so they never see go now? She grow past them. What did she can't do? What did she do? It surprise me. Oh, he carry the small one for down. He can't they give down one head. While the other one for inside, he can't position. Not the way dog take the position. You understand? He can't they give down one back. That one you they from back the wire around. He just the wire. She just they collect the cocoa, but she never shake body. You know, normal be say person, the women will not be small children now, not be small bikini. You know, say from back now, you will feel like, you will feel like the but she know your feeling. She just they collect her, and then me confess here. This one not be picking they go no. This one not be picking at all. This one don't big. This one don't grow. She just they collect her. So what I want to say parent I beg. If you get pikin, know what your pikin go fit do. Know what you go the alarm and the wash I beg. And you know say nowadays wifey full everywhere. Maybe your house now, probably you get a wife. What you go do if your pikin won't sleep? Disconnect her because she know where they this so they where they see so they why is where. You feel they sleep now you go pass back. Go they wash, maybe for night now you don't sleep. You go come they wash, you yourself no go know. So if you want sleep, off fan, off wifey. If you come back for school, no mind the morning you go wake up, you prepare and you go school. If you come back for school, if you dey wash anything, let your eye there body, let your eye there beg. Because children now, this is what they do. It pass us. And as a parent, to know they give your pikin. For when we say WhatsApp, they messenger, they different sites they for it. And not they give your pikin because definitely now, as they play with the phone now, your friend feel saying some kind things. And you know say children, anything where they see now they practice. Anything where they see they must put them for practice. You they get me? So know the kind for we see your pikin go they use. And you know they be say you take the follow. You understand? And as a parent, no they do that kind of thing for where your pikin dey. If you want they do maybe no man now say you dey for 1 room, you never get apartment, those kind of things. No the time will be say you take they do all those things because if you they do it for their presence, so children they be say, so children they be say, man, if you they do anything, they first they not sleep oh, their eye just dey. After you don't go where they go finish, they'll do practice. That will be say they see what they do, so they'll come they do it. So as a parent, know what your pikin go they do. Let your eye dey body. I not say no easy, I not say no easy, but try for that aspect. Let your eye dey body. And I pray that may God give una the strength. Those who be say be parent, don't be say never see be parent. Be say they pray to be parent. May God give una the strength. When I tell look una pikin, you understand? Because children of nowadays, what they do? If they tire person, if they fear person. Because when that pikin they collect and collect, even me when we say not serious like that, when they fear say this one a pikin because she you the collect and she never say you the collect and the other one you they plug and they all those they don't even strong for inside. What because they wonder say for this kind age, this one they take 2 some. Now she just they man they 3 some like that. I want to put herself 3 some. She you the collect and she never she even they smell over it. She even they smile. Jesus. Don't be smart here, my people. So I beg as a parent, let your eye the day your pikin body. Know what your pikin go fit do. Know what no fit do. All those stations where they for telling. It get particular station for they play all those things for nights now. Once it's 12 o'clock, they'll come they watch, they plot it because they believe say children don't sleep. So for night I beg off if your pikin won't go sleep, off telling. And if you say wake up for 2 o'clock for night, anytime you say wake up for midnight, they check on your pikin. No wetin they do, because children of now they wise well, my dear. They wise well. So now that I get to share with una today, I beg. No wetin you go fit do. Let your eye dey your pikin body, I beg. And always pray for your children, because the Bible said that throw a child the way he will go, so that when he grow old, he will not depart away from it. I beg. You understand? May God not call all us responsible. Say, pikin wey give us will spoil am. I beg. No wetin your pikin dey wash. No wetin you know go fit wash. They put eye for your pikin body. As you do, may God bless you in Jesus. Now this, I go end my video for here. Anything we say you think about this video, I beg drop your opinion, share my video. If you know say you don't subscribe to my channel, thank you. And if you never subscribe, I beg do so. As you do, may God bless you in Jesus' name. Ciao, ciao, ciao.